Hi everyone, we are back at the Adret factory today, and today I'm going to demonstrate how the Adret equipment will prelocate distance to a high resistance fault. With a high resistance fault you'll need both the thumper and the PCA 101. I've already set it up to impulse current mode. It does ask you a couple of questions: range, how big, how much the machine can see, the velocity of the cable, the gain, and the trigger level. Once you've put all the data in it requires, it now needs to give us the distance to fault. That's done by a matter of a graph that will be displayed. But now, if we acquire our internal pulse of the unit, it's a bit small, so we are using an external pulse. The surge generator is set up to 8000 volt. I'm using the Motzer 32 2200 joule machine. And as I single shot it, you can see the graph. Now, if you can still change the range a bit when it's done shooting. Just want to make the machine safe. Okay, now if you look at this graph, the pulse is moving away from us down the cable to where the fault is, coming back. Going away from us to where the fault is, coming back. Each time it's losing some energy. So with that intervals, now you know that that is the fault. So you'll go to your measure and you will start moving your cursors. It doesn't matter what cursor is on A and what cursor is on B. Let's say you move it to where the peaks, where it starts to go down, where the fault starts. Okay, and then you move your B cursor and there you can see we are on 300 meters there. Okay, I know that this fault is 300 meters away from us. Depending on how you move it, if you move it roughly, you would see that it sometimes will be 30 meters over the fault. This is because of all the wiring and stuff in the surge generator, so you can just deduct that. If we measure from lower peak to lower peak on our next one, there you can also see there's our approximately 300 meters. It'll put you in the vicinity of the fault. Rule of thumb is you always start from, or you always go from where you are to the distance that it gives you, or you start at that distance coming back on the cable. In that way you will never overshoot, but you'll always walk over your fault. Just to demonstrate, if I move my cursor B to my next peak, it will give me that same distance, just to show you guys that that is the distance to the fault. Alright, you can also put it on your where it starts to go down, and there again, 328. Rule of thumb is round about between 28 and 30 meters of cabling inside the machine. And so if you deduct that, you will be on your 300 meter fault. So that is high resistance fault location with Adret test equipment, PCA 101, Mozza 32 2200 joule 32,000 volt surge generator. For more information, go to www.adrettest.com. or phone Southern Africa fault location. Ask for Eddie Lismore. I'm always available to help you guys.